Paythepoolman.com. Today we're going to look at one of our new features, which is our salt cell cleaning tracking. This is going to give you a quick and easy way to keep track of all of your salt cell cleanings, just like your filter cleanings. So we can see right away on our dashboard, it's listed below our filter cleanings, the amount of salt cells that we need to immediately get done, and then the ones that we probably need to move into the planning stage. So let's go ahead and see the easiest way to add in salt cell tracking. What we're going to do, let's say we're out in the field and that we do a salt cell cleaning. We're going to add this just like we would a filter cleaning. We're going to click our extra work. We're going to go ahead and let's say this was a month ago. And let's go ahead and add it to Captain Rentals. And we'll type in salt cell cleaning. This is a default value. You can change the description if you want. And we'll hit Save Extra. So now let's go ahead and go back to our home page. We'll click View Cells, and we can see right away Captain Rentals is right here at the top. And let's say we added that in and we forgot to put a note in. So let's go ahead and click Options. We can edit our cell tracking right here, and we can add in a note. And let's say needs a replacement, next cleaning. So these are just going to be little notes that are going to help you kind of keep everything organized so that when it comes time to clean it again, you are prepared. So we can see right away it's been added. And if we go ahead and look at the top of our page, you can see the easiest way to navigate, because imagine if you have 100 customers, 300, 500 customers, you're going to have a lot of salt cell tracking that you're going to have to sort through to find a customer. So we went ahead and made it easier for you. What you can do is you could search by name, you could search by address, or if you want, you can search by which ones need to be done first, or which ones need to go and get ready for planning. Okay. So if we also look at some of our other options that you can now do, you can delete the tracking out if it was done in error. You can notify your customer of a cleaning date automatically through the system. All you need to do is select the date and then send out your text message. So this message right here, as soon as you click it, it's going to go ahead and send out a message directly to your customer saying that your company will be out on that specific date to clean the salt cell. Or you can do it via email. Let's go ahead and close that. If you have a customer that needs to give an approval before you can actually do the salt cell cleaning, this is going to make this a cinch for you. All you need to do is click send the request for an approval. That'll create an automatic bid, send it to your customer, and when they approve it, Paythepoolman will go ahead and notify you via email that that customer's approved it and it's time to do the cleaning. And last but not least, if you're using Plus and you have employees, you can go ahead and schedule that directly into Plus by selecting it. So we can see right away, this is our location. We could see all the different pools around it and then go ahead and take care of the scheduling like we would in our Plus program. Thank you very much and have a great day. And you know what? We actually forgot something. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go back and we're going to see how to manually add in a salt cell cleaning. This is going to be done anytime that you, let's say, pick up a customer and the salt cell was just done, but you still want to track it. Or let's say that your customer likes to clean the salt cell. You're going to go ahead and do that also. Or if you just put in a brand new salt cell and you want to keep it on a strict schedule. This is how you want to do this. So let's go ahead and select a customer. Let's see here. I don't think we've used Clark Kent yet. Let's go ahead and say Clark Kent. And let's say we just started service for him, and let's say the customer said it was done in April. All right, and let's save that. And we see right away Clark Kent is now added to our tracking. We can move on with the rest of our day because it's all kept in Paythepoolman in a nice, easy to read fashion. Thank you very much and have a great day.